Cardi B is one of the biggest celebs at the moment, and she doesn't seem to be slowing down even after becoming a mama. Not to mention, it looked like she was super fit again so quickly after being pregnant. At the time of this recording, Cardi is only 26. Once she became a star, the girl wasted no time perfecting her appearance, and she's shameless about getting work done to her bod. It's no secret that Cardi has gotten cosmetic surgery and made some changes, but that's because she's continuously open about it. However, despite all of this, in recent news she publicly stated that she was done with plastic surgery for good. So what triggered this change of heart? Following a few weeks of health scares as well as some cancelled shows, Cardi B told Twitter that she wasn't getting work done again. Like I said, Cardi has always been honest about any work she's had done and definitely doesn't try to hide it from her fans. This time was no different, and she was open about some surgery she got post-pregnancy, which I'll talk more about later in this video. What was different this time though is that Cardi faced some complications from not following her doctor's orders and resting. She also received plenty of backlash from fans and supposedly lost millions because of show cancellations. But we'll talk about all of this in the next short while. We already have a Cardi B before and after video up on this channel from last year, but given the circumstances it seemed it was definitely due for a refresh. What's going on, guys and girls? My name is Kara, and this series we've titled Before and After. Today we're going to focus mainly on Cardi B's transformation post-baby and recent changes that she's made. I've done other celebrity transformation videos on stars like Iggy Azalea and Rihanna, and we'll have links to those at the end of this video. I've also been reading all your comments, and I'm going to be responding to some at the end of this. As always, if there's anyone else you want me to document, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's get into this video. So just before we talk about Cardi's recent surgeries, I'll quickly recap the work that she had done before baby culture was born. As we all know, Cardi's career before she was a rapper was none other than a stripper, but pretty sure this is one of the things that makes up the Cardi B who we all know and love. Anyways, Cardi has spoken about being a stripper and how it really affected her self-esteem, because way back when she actually didn't really have boobs or a butt. Looking at old pics, you can see just how different she looked. Cardi got breast implants first during her time dancing, and she also got her butt done. In fact, Cardi was so open with her fans that she talked about how at the age of only 21, she got illegal butt injections in someone's basement for 800 bucks. Crazy, right? Finally, Cardi got veneers on her teeth, which gave her the perfect smile she has today. That pretty much sums up what work Cardi got before becoming a mom, but this updated before and after is about the more recent stuff. So what about all of that? After having her baby last year in 2018, Cardi was just being herself and got real about the changes that happened to her boobs. She posted on Instagram saying how after giving birth to her daughter Culture, her boobs are basically now hanging low, and said that at the end of the year she plans to get a titty renovation. While Cardi is a woman of her word because she not only got her boobs done, but she also decided to get liposuction. She spoke to her second breast augmentation in an interview with Entertainment Tonight, saying, "I just got my boobs redone. I feel good, but then sometimes I feel like not, you know, when your skin is stretched out." Her lipo seemed noticeable when she showed off her abs in April on Instagram. Her stomach was looking flatter and fitter than ever, and when I saw this, I thought she looked amazing. Before this, Cardi still looked fit, but for months she denied that she got lipo. However, she ended up coming clean about it due to the complications that came along with the recovery process. She also didn't feel good lying to her fans. Cardi had to cancel some of her concerts because of side effects from her lipo procedure. Doctors' orders were that she needed more rest and she shouldn't be performing, but she didn't exactly follow suit. Cardi has said that lipo was definitely not an instant fix and it takes a while to heal. She told E! News, "Like when you see somebody that had lipo, you think that they just go into the doctors and like boop, you come out and you look amazing. And it's actually like a very long process. Recovery, it actually takes a little bit more than 3 or 4 months." Of course, the cancelled shows upset fans, and Cardi apparently lost out on a lot of money. But after publicly showing the swelling she got as a side effect of both the lipo and recent boob job, it looked noticeably painful. Sharing a photo of her extremely swollen ankles, Cardi said that this swelling also happens to her stomach and the rest of her body, and it's uncomfortable as hell. She also tweeted it as proof to her fans. After surgeries like a boob job and or lipo, recovery is super important. There are periods of swelling afterwards, and supposedly the second period of swelling can last for months. Flying can really make this swelling extreme, just like what seemed to be the case with Cardi's ankles. Cardi got a lot of backlash for this whole situation, including people making comments like she should just exercise and naturally get back into shape rather than going for surgery. As usual, Cardi wasted no time clapping back and explained that she's a performer who's constantly on the go and doesn't have the same time as others to exercise, which does make a lot of sense. and Cardi's work ethic seems to also be what got her in trouble in the first place. From not getting enough rest post-op, her body didn't have efficient time to recover. Cardi explained on Instagram why she didn't want to cancel shows, stating, "You know, I hate canceling shows because I love money. I'm a money addict and I get paid a lot of money. A lot of money for these shows. Like I'm canceling millions of dollars in shows. But like health is wealth, so I have to do what I have to do. My breasts gotta effing heal, it is what it is." That being said, as I mentioned earlier, Cardi claims now that she's done with getting plastic surgery. Apparently this whole situation scared her and she doesn't want the same reaction again. Cardi said on Twitter, "I've been working out for the past 2 weeks cause I ain't getting surgery again. But let me tell you, I haven't got a headache ever since." So I guess the exercise is also helping to get rid of headaches that the star gets. I guess we'll see if Cardi keeps her word and stays off the plastic surgery for good. She's only 26 though, so who knows if she'll change her mind down the line. Although Cardi has always been on point with her fashion and look, I feel like recently she's been looking extra glam. I think that this year has been Cardi's most stylish one yet. After having her baby, it didn't take Cardi long to get polished and bounce back into the spotlight at all. She has had some great hair looks over the past few months, which are obviously different wigs or weaves, which look amazing. One of my favorites on her was this pastel colored hair. I think it looked super hot. I actually wish I had that hair myself. Cardi also rocked hot pink and a bright blue color. Some other Cardi looks I loved so far this year were this all Chanel outfit and cute black bob, and this pastel purple jacket with the matching hair, which is one of my fave colors. Although she's been looking classy and glam, she still has that same Cardi edge as before, even with small touches like her tongue and lip piercings. Not to mention her I don't give a attitude. So it's obvious that Cardi looks great regardless of what she does. With her extremely busy schedule as a performer, it isn't surprising that she wanted to get some work done after having her baby. I think that if I was in her position and constantly in the spotlight, I would feel pressured to look my best as well and likely want faster results than normal. Despite the complications from her lipo and second boob job, her body does look amazing. Although canceling some of her shows upset some people, she had a legit reason considering that awful swelling she got on her body. Cardi says she's completely done with plastic surgery now, but if she does try it again in the future, hopefully this time she'll listen to her doctor and take the time needed to recover. Okay guys, so we're gonna try something new. I'm gonna be reading out some of your comments from past videos. This one was from Lindsay Lohan's before and after video. Zero Knot had this to say: "This woman is garbage both inside and out. She should just do the decent thing and jump off a cliff, then continue a life full of hypocrisy and trashy behavior. And for God's sake, don't ever let this woman breed. No child deserves a mother like this to live their whole life in embarrassment." Well, Zero, I think you might be going a little hard on her, but everyone has their own opinion. Hopefully you don't come after me next. From our recent Rihanna vid, the responses were slightly happier, and Wendy Odell said, "She's a natural beauty, whatever weight. She looks gorgeous." Totally agree with you, Wendy. Riri is a babe. And I've seen your positive comments on other vids as well, so thank you for your kind words. Also on our Rihanna vid, Skittle Boy, aka Skittles Nation, said, "Skittle Boys in the comments, Rihanna, yes, and Kara, you work it. 2 snaps, much love." Thanks for watching, Skittle Boys, and thanks for the love. Alright guys and girls, that wraps up this video here and before and after. If you want to talk more about Cardi B's recent transformation, you can hit me up on Instagram. Let me know who else you would like me to make a before and after video on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!